All right, you guys, so I'm gonna show you a trick. Many of you may be having issues with your Nest X Yale lock or any electronic actuating deadbolt. I'm gonna show you a trick in order to keep that from jamming. Some of you may notice that the motor is not quite strong enough to actually turn the deadbolt all the way in, and it may recognize it as a jam or something along those lines. In my case, it was very easy to fix. This is the deadbolt. This is the strike plate for the door knob right here. Deadbolt there. Regular door handle latch there. These have a little flop or flip piece right here. And my Nest was jamming. And so basically what I needed was my door to go inward. So these typically have a tongue that you can slowly bend out very carefully until you get it to where the door will be pulled in a little bit farther. So in my case, this was bent a little bit more that way. I simply took a flathead screwdriver and bent it out a little bit more, and no more issues. Hope this helps, guys.